hello there. I know it's been 2 days, maybe 3 days, maybe a week. I don't know when I post this. Like I said, always. Today, you're unboxing ATE. It's been a while, I know. It's been a while. I'm really excited for this set. A beautiful model of an ATT. Amazing minifigures. Finally, Commander Cody. And yeah, really excited. Cue time lapse, I guess. Okay, bag 1 complete. And I would like to show you one thing before we get on, actually a couple things, but look. Okay, I don't know where the camera is. This came inside, I'm not even joking. I found this brick separator inside the bag with a gun piece in it. I thought it was unique, but brick separator, no more gun piece inside the brick separator. So anyway, a lot of people somewhat hate this set. I mean, like, no one really hates it. It's more of a hate. But, like, Spider-Droid. Now, if anyone has seen Revenge of the Sith, which I bet a bunch of people have, it's a good movie. Go watch it if you haven't. If Revenge of the Sith, in the Utapau scenes, there is no Mouse Droid. And Spider-Droid, same thing. No, not the same thing. One is really small and works on the Empire. One is really somewhat big and works in the Separatist Alliance. So, a lot of people don't like the Spider-Droid because it's not supposed to be there. It's not technically accurate, as some would say. But I, truth say, I know, such amazing grammar is. So I say, who cares? It's literally a Spider-Droid. How many sets have been not accurate whatsoever? No one cares. How many sets have been really accurate with one thing off? One thing. They probably just accidentally like put a Spider-Droid in the set because they didn't really want to make a Crab Droid and they really didn't have time. They had to design new helmets for every single clone. They had to design a set. That's about it. But like, they probably didn't have time to make a custom Crab Droid. Also, there are like millions of designs on the internet on how to make your own Crab Droid or something like that. So they can just make their own Crab Droid. Now, if you really hate that there is a Spider-Droid in this set, get rid of it. Doesn't matter. Add it to your Separatist Alliance thing. I, myself, will be putting it on this shelf to go with my prequel. I'll do that with the entire set later. So, why do people get so mad at this? A small build that, hey, heck, they could have just included 3 battle droids and only had 5 bags, and people would be like, okay, now you're ripping me off. I don't like that. Don't like that. And then they added this. Now, my personal thing is, it is way too small to be an entire bag by itself. Like, maybe if they made it a little bit bigger, that would have been amazing. But, like, way too small, in my opinion. But that's my opinion. Okay. Time to put this back. Okay. Bag dos. That's French for it, right? No. German, obviously. Why do you think it was French? That was weird. So, putting the droids over here. And open. this is bag 5. So, in bag 5, where we left off, we got the first 212 troopers of 3. We have Commander Cody, 2 B1 battle, 3 B1 battle droids. I'm so used to just reviewing this set right here, which has 2. So yeah. Anywho, let's get to the build. Okay, here we go. Final bag, people. Final bags, I should probably say. The AT-TE is looking amazing so far. Hasn't really got the top on, but yeah, real excited. And I just saw that piece. And we're finished. This looks absolutely phenomenal. Now let's talk about play features. Play features include being able to open up every single panel. Almost every single panel. I don't know if you're supposed to open up every single one of them, but most panels are meant to be opened up. Maybe, I don't know. Like this right here. This is kind of hard to, kind of a little bit of a struggle, but still, it is amazing. Both of these panels open up. Amazing minifigures. Commander Cody, we have been waiting too long for this. Well, not me. Yeah. 3 212s. 1, 2, 3. A clone gunner. Amazing. And a spider droid. A good build, but I think it was not enough pieces for the first bag. And 3 B1 battle droids. Make some super battle droids once Lego. Like, it would be amazing to see those get released again. So, anyway, amazing set. I love this handlebar. Also, it's so easy to hold up. Ooh. The legs are a little bit floppy, but that's okay. I really like stud shooters, and the door panel thing opens up. Pretty neat. I was about to say neato, but then I realized it wasn't from the 70s. So, what I don't like about this set is, you know what? I love this set. I don't see how it has any bad features to it. Now, a bunch of people are getting mad at the 212 clone troopers because of their helmets. Right there, it doesn't have like the point at the end that actual 212 troopers have. I say that doesn't really matter. I mean, like, look at them. Amazing. One second. If you think I'm filming in the back rooms, you would be almost correct. Keyword almost. I am filming in a basement. I know, fancy. Time to, I don't know, add this to a shelf. Okay, there is absolutely no space on said shelf. Okay, gonna do some minor adjustments. If you're wondering, the shelf system, ships, Clone Wars, and Mandalorian. That is pretty much everything. See ya. Actually, coming soon to video aisles near you, recommendations near you. It will be 5 ways to customize your 212 Clone Trooper. Maybe I'll do a stop motion. I have a really good idea for a stop motion. Okay, and that's about it. I really do love the new clone head molds. It's just like a clone head, but now they can have visors. Amazing. See ya.